Welcome to today's video. If you've always dreamed of having a pool in your backyard but are limited by space, you're in the right place. A small backyard doesn't mean you have to give up on the idea of having your own private oasis. Whether you have a tiny urban yard or a cozy suburban lot, there are so many creative ways to incorporate a pool that fits perfectly in your space. Today, we'll explore several small backyard pool ideas that are both stylish and functional, helping you turn even the smallest space into a relaxing retreat. Let's dive in. When it comes to small backyard pools, the key is to make the most of the limited space you have. First, consider the overall layout of your yard. Even if your backyard is compact, you can still create an inviting pool area by thinking creatively about placement and design. For example, you could opt for a rectangular or square pool shape that aligns with the natural flow of your space, as this will make it feel more integrated into your yard. Another option is to choose a plunge pool. These are smaller, often deeper pools that are designed for lounging rather than swimming laps. A plunge pool can easily fit in smaller areas and still provide a refreshing way to cool off on a hot day. You can pair it with a small deck or patio for lounging space, or even include built-in seating for extra comfort. Additionally, consider multifunctional features. For instance, a pool with a shallow lounging area or a built-in bench allows for relaxation without taking up much room. If you're short on space, an above-ground pool with a stylish surrounding deck can work wonders. The deck can serve as a place for sunbathing, outdoor dining, or entertaining, all while taking up minimal yard space. If you love these small backyard pool ideas, hit the like button and share this video with anyone looking to add a pool to their backyard. For a small backyard, going for a modern and sleek design is a great option. This aesthetic can make the pool feel luxurious and spacious, even in a compact area. One popular design choice is the infinity edge pool, which creates the illusion of water flowing into the horizon. While these are often seen in larger homes, a small infinity pool can be designed to flow into a smaller feature, such as a small pond or a rocky area, giving it a more natural, open feel. Another idea is to incorporate clean, geometric shapes into the design. A simple square or rectangular pool with minimalistic lines can blend seamlessly into the landscape. Add a small waterfall or water feature to enhance the calming vibe of the space. You could also choose a dark-colored pool liner, such as navy or charcoal, which creates a dramatic effect and contrasts beautifully with the surrounding greenery, making the pool look more spacious. Pairing sleek concrete or stone finishes with minimalist furniture, like a small lounge chair or a simple wooden bench, will complement the modern design and keep the space looking elegant and uncluttered. What type of small pool design would you add to your backyard? Share your ideas with us in the comments below. One way to make a small pool feel more functional is by opting for an L-shaped or corner pool. These designs are perfect for maximizing corner spaces and creating a unique shape that works well in smaller yards. L-shaped pools can be perfect for lounging and swimming without sacrificing functionality. The long, straight part of the L can serve as a lap area, while the short section is great for sitting or playing. By placing the pool in the corner of your yard, you can save valuable space for landscaping or entertaining. The corners of the pool can be softened with lush plants and greenery, giving it a more natural look. You could also consider adding a raised edge or a seating area at the corner, which provides both aesthetic appeal and extra space for relaxation. This style of pool can also work well with retaining walls or elevated platforms, which can create a more defined area for your pool without overwhelming your backyard. The mix of natural materials like wood or stone for the decking, combined with sleek water features, will give your corner pool a sophisticated and serene ambience. Want more backyard transformation tips? Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Once you've decided on the shape and size of your pool, it's time to think about landscaping and the surrounding features that will enhance the entire space. With a small backyard, it's important to select plants and decor that complement the pool rather than overcrowd the space. One great way to frame your pool is by using vertical gardens or hanging planters. These can be placed along fences, walls, or above the pool area, bringing the natural elements closer without taking up too much floor space. Choose low-maintenance plants like ferns, succulents, or ornamental grasses, which can thrive in smaller spaces and add a touch of greenery around the pool. Another idea is to incorporate a small, outdoor seating area adjacent to the pool. A minimalist table and chairs, or even a hammock or swing chair, can create a cozy spot for guests to relax. For added ambience, think about using soft lighting around the pool. String lights, lanterns, or LED strips can make your backyard feel magical at night. For a more luxurious touch, you can integrate a small hot tub or spa area into the pool design. This feature doesn't have to take up much space and can provide the perfect place for relaxation. It can be placed at one end of the pool or even incorporated into a corner, making it a part of the overall design without crowding your yard. Looking for more pool or backyard ideas? Check out our backyard design playlist for inspiration. When designing a small backyard pool, it's essential to think about maintenance and practicality. One key factor is pool size. A smaller pool can be easier to maintain, requiring less water, fewer chemicals, and less time for cleaning. However, it's important to invest in a good filtration system to keep the water clear and clean. Consider choosing a pool with an energy-efficient pump to save on energy costs. Another tip is to choose durable and easy-to-maintain materials for the surrounding area. Composite decking, for example, is a great option because it's low maintenance and resistant to weathering. Similarly, tiles around the pool area should be slip-resistant, especially in smaller spaces where you want to minimize the risk of accidents. If space is a concern, consider built-in storage options like under-deck storage for pool accessories or equipment. This will help keep your yard looking neat and organized without sacrificing style. Lastly, you can install a pool cover for the winter months to protect your investment and keep your pool clean when not in use. Found something you love in this video? All the products and designs featured are linked in the description below. And that concludes our small backyard pool ideas. As you can see, even with limited space, there are so many ways to create a stylish and functional backyard pool that suits your needs and enhances your outdoor living experience. Whether you choose a modern, sleek design, an L-shaped pool, or a cozy plunge pool, there's no reason why your small backyard can't become your own private oasis. Remember, the key to designing a pool in a small space is maximizing the available area and making the most of the surrounding features. Incorporating smart landscaping, minimalist furniture, and practical touches like energy-efficient equipment can all help create a pool area that is both beautiful and low maintenance. And don't forget about the little details. Lighting, plants, and outdoor furniture can all elevate the space and make it feel like a true extension of your home. If you're considering building a small backyard pool, take the time to plan out the design and think about the different ways you can use your space. Will you want a pool for relaxing and lounging, or are you hoping for a pool that can also be used for exercise? Do you need extra storage, or would you like a cozy area to entertain guests? There are so many options available, and with the right planning, you can create a pool that meets all of your needs. It's also worth noting that a small backyard pool can be a great investment. Not only will it enhance your outdoor space, but it can also increase the value of your property. Whether you're using the pool for personal enjoyment or entertaining guests, it's a feature that adds both aesthetic appeal and functionality to your home. And with so many different designs and features to choose from, you're sure to find something that fits perfectly in your yard. When designing your pool, be sure to think about your overall vision for the space. Is it a peaceful retreat where you can unwind after a long day? Or is it a social hub where you can gather with friends and family? Whatever your style, be sure to infuse your personality into the design so the space feels like an extension of yourself. Another important consideration is maintenance. Even small pools require some upkeep, but by choosing the right materials, investing in good equipment, and keeping everything well maintained, you'll be able to enjoy your pool for years to come with minimal hassle. A smaller pool can actually be easier to maintain than a larger one, making it a great option for homeowners who want the joy of a pool without the added stress. It's also important to stay within your budget and select a pool design that works for your financial situation. There are plenty of affordable options for small backyard pools, and with a little creativity, you can design a beautiful space without breaking the bank. Whether you choose an above-ground pool, a plunge pool, or a custom design, there's no shortage of choices when it comes to small pools. As you start planning your backyard pool, consider how the space will function for your lifestyle. Will it be a relaxing retreat, a place for family fun, or a space for outdoor entertaining? Understanding your needs will help you make design decisions that will ensure the pool is a perfect fit for your home.